Hello, today we're going to talk about East Bank Campground, Corp of Engineers located in Georgia. We're going to discuss some of the beautiful sights that are out there as well as some of the foods that we will cook. Welcome to East Bank Campground, a location where you can spend some time just relaxing, reading a book, and maybe just walking around the area. It's very beautiful, lots of things to see and to enjoy, but mainly it's very peaceful. Welcome everyone, here at East Bank Campground, Corp of Engineers, and I'm going to cook today something called a Spanish rice kind of mixture that is my style. So first thing I'm going to do is actually take a few peppers and cut them up. I have a nice little knife. Since we go camping, we use this for a lot of things. So I turn around and take a jalapeno pepper. Let me cut it up here, get rid of all the seeds, because that's usually what causes the heat. So as I scrape this off, hopefully I don't get seeds all over the place. Okay. And I also try to take the stems out. And I like to cut them pretty small. And again, this knife is super sharp, so I need to be careful while cutting and prepping. So here goes another pepper, a banana pepper. And actually these peppers are from our garden. But overall, it looks like it will be a delicious meal. And it's something quick. Since we're here in our little campsite, we have a small little camper, our TAB320S, and it's the right size for us. And we've had this for 2 years, and this is now that we're retired. We're now turning around and enjoying our camping and cooking, because you can't have one without having the other kind of thing. It's more of an excitement and a big thing of where you just kind of sit back and relax and enjoy what you're doing. And again, these peppers are from our garden back home, except the onions. We have a bunch of peppers, bell peppers, banana peppers, and if you notice here, we have a yellow tomato. That could have been an orange tomato, I'm not sure. Half a pound of pork, but you could actually use beef or any other type of meats that you prefer. And we're going to put it in the pan to start frying with our vegetables. have it set on high. And we love using this little fryer pan kind of thing because we just connect it right into our Nucamp right in the corner there, and it kind of makes it kind of easy to work with. We have actually a little area to cook in there, but our main purpose is to actually be outside whenever we're camping. So we prefer to be outside cooking. And we found that having something small like this here allows us to be very flexible, which is what you're looking for when you're camping. You want to be easy and flexible. You don't want to make it complicated. You want to be as light as possible. And we actually use this little fire for everything. Now, I'm going to take our peppers, mix it in there. I'll take the peppers, which are red onions, as well as banana peppers and some yellow tomatoes. This smells so good. So good. I wish you were here to smell this. And we're gonna fry this off for a second. Oh my God, that smells so good. And to be honest, this is a quick meal. We're going to add some rice in a second. So let's let this cook down a little bit for about 5 minutes. So, some of the seasonings I like to use is Italian seasoning and some garlic powder. You can never go wrong with too much garlic powder or Italian seasoning. It's always delicious. And then finally, I put in a cup of water. Then we put on a cover and let it cook for a good 15 minutes or so. Wow, look at how that looks. Now this is so delicious. Let me get our plate and we're going to plate this. Look at those colors, those peppers. Got some of this top stuff here, put it up on top. We got plenty for 2 people. And then at the end, look at this. Until next time, buen provecho.